Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Hubspot. Let's get started. To do that, you first need to head over to your Hubspot and then click on the gear icon, which is your settings. Once you have done that, you should be able to find the option for integrations. Scroll down until you can find integrations, expand that, and click on Connected Apps. As you can see, there's no Jotform here yet, so click on Connect Your First App or go to the App Marketplace. From here, click on the search bar and search for Jotform. Here's Jotform right here. Click on this, and then after that, click on the Install option that will appear. This should be able to open the Jotform integration itself. Now in here, click on Add to Form, and then this will load again for your Hubspot integration. Now in here, you can actually add Hubspot integration to a form by creating a new form or using a template. Let's create a form right here. Now here, you can see your Jotform form builder as your actual builder for your Hubspot. You can create a contact or do a lot of forms that you want for this case. So that's all there is today. If you haven't signed up for Hubspot yet, make sure to use the affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.